What's up, y'all? It's your girl Stefdotnet back with another video, and today I am going to be showing you guys how I got this no gel wash and go. Yes, you heard correctly. I did not use any gel for this wash and go, and y'all know if you watched my previous videos, I am a gel fanatic. I definitely prefer gels for my wash and go, but today I feel like I low-key got some popping results. What y'all think? I got these results using no gel, and I went in with some new products I have never ever used before. I used the Hawaiian Silky triple buttercream and also their triple butter foam. Oh, let me not leave out the fact that I use their leave-in as well. But yeah, these are some new products for me, and if you guys want to see how I got these results, keep on watching. I have already washed and deep conditioned my hair. As you can see, it is looking good. First thing I'm going to do is split my hair in two sections and put some leave-in on. So I'm going to go in with this triple butter leave-in. So out the gate, this definitely seems very, very lightweight here. So I'm just gonna go over this whole section and add that leave-in, focusing on the ends. I'm gonna do one more little half pump just to make sure my ends are completely saturated. And I'm trying to be lighter on products. I'm so heavy-handed, and I'm gonna go in with my super wide tooth comb just to get that product through. But I'm super heavy-handed with products, and then you can't be like super heavy-handed and then be like, oh, my hair has some white cast or whatever, you know. Just don't work like that. My hair is pretty much already detangled, but I just want to keep it as detangled as possible. Alright, so my hair is covered in leave-in, and I went ahead and split it into the sections that I'm going to be working in to continue styling. So now I'm going to go in with the buttercream. It's definitely not like super thick. You see what I'm saying? But take out this twist, and that's one side of the twist is going to be my first section. And that's the amount that I'm working with, because I ain't got all day. Yes, you could get more definition with working in smaller sections and shingling and all that, but I'm more about a good balance of definition and volume. That's what I like to get, and I feel like raking and smoothing gets me that result. When I super define my curls, they're gonna be super small and shrunken, and then I'm gonna have to do a whole bunch of work picking them back out. So what's the point? So anyways, I'm about to go in with a little bit of that. When you're trying new products, I definitely like to start out smaller and then work my way up if I feel like I could use more. Okay, so that really did a good job just right there, but I'm going to add just a little bit more, so I feel like it could be more evenly distributed. Get my breakage right here in the back. Okay, I'm gonna do a little bit of raking that through. And I'm not gonna add more product, but I'm gonna add more water. Like when I'm using gel, I do work on very wet hair when I do my wash and go. So I'm gonna do the exact same with this cream and foam. Okay, so this is what it's looking like thus far. I'm here for the definition. Definitely. Shut up, Bash. I'm here for the definition, but I don't care what nobody says. I'm not in a place to use this buttercream alone. If you would like, you could stop right here and just use this buttercream and keep on going. But y'all know I need some kind of hold, so I'm going to go in with the mousse because it should give a flexible hold and not like a super crunch like gel would. That's what I'm hoping this is gonna do, but still give me a nice, good, flexible hold. So I'm gonna go in with 2 pumps. Is that a lot? I don't feel like that's a lot. I've never used the mousse for this purpose. So let's see. Okay, that was a lot. I probably would have just did 1 for this one little section. Oh Lord. That was a lot. Why did I use that much? Where's my towel at? Okay, so what I'm gonna do is, since I used too much, I'm gonna squeeze this off because that was too damn much. I don't know, child. I don't know. The definition is there for sure. I ain't even smooth it. I just been raking. The definition is there. High key. And it definitely doesn't feel like, you know, greasy. Like, it feels like fluffy. Low-key soft. This next section is much bigger, so let's test it out on a bigger section. And my hair started to get dry, so I'm going to definitely go in with that water, child. Get it back damp. And go in with the buttercream. I really, really love how this buttercream feels. And I definitely want to revisit this for a twist out because it is so rich and just moisturizing. I really like how my hair feels as soon as I put the buttercream on. Alright, so I'm going to add some more water. I got that buttercream on. I'm going to add some more water to help with raking and distributing that through. It's hurting. Okay, so we got that buttercream on. Now I'm gonna go in with this, and I'm gonna do 1 pump this time. Like I said, start off small. I need to take my own advice the first time. All right, I'm going with 1 more. More water. All right, so I'm going to clip that out the way, and then I'm going to be quiet because y'all see what I'm doing. I'm going in with the buttercream and then the foam, adding water as I need to distribute the products and get the most, until I get the definition to where I want it to be. And then I'm moving on to the next section. So I'm gonna be quiet and just let y'all watch me work. All right, y'all, so I have done my full head, and this side, one thing I will say off the bat is my hair is definitely going to dry faster. I definitely feel like my expectations of the definition were met, but yeah, I'm going to go ahead and let this dry, and then I'm gonna give you guys my true final results. Okay, so my hair has dried for probably about an hour or so. I would definitely say in here it is still wet at the roots. The ends are probably about 75 to 80% dry. But if I had used a gel, my hair wouldn't even be close to this dry. One thing I wanted to touch on was, again, when you start using a product versus once you get to the end, as you're working with it, you kind of tweak it and find the best way for it to work. I will definitely say that I would have used more product on this side. I was starting out kind of hesitant because I wasn't sure how my hair was going to absorb the product, but once I saw that it absorbed it well, then I got a little bit more product heavy on this side, and I feel like this side came out a lot better as far as definition. Another thing that I noticed is I would add the buttercream and work that into my hair. It worked better if I smoothed it into my hair, then wet my hair a little bit more and made sure I detangled, because I feel like this had an adequate amount of slip, but not enough slip for me to just be going through and raking. So it definitely worked better when I added a little bit of water to it and then rake. Once I added the foam, I again added more water. I always add a little bit more water when I add the products. So I feel like that just really helped with the definition, and it helped with the slip of the products and getting them distributed evenly. But definitely make sure once you add your product on that you make sure your hair is staying detangled and that you're adding more water to help with getting that definition. But all in all, I definitely feel like these products are worth a try. Even if you don't use it for the style that I've done, I feel like it's definitely worth a try just because of how my hair feels. Regardless of the style results, my hair feels amazing. Like, I have way more volume than I would get with the gel. If you watch my wash, define, and go video, you see how defined my hair is, and then I have to go and pick it out to get it damn near to just this. With the foam, my hair is super fluffy and bouncy without even having to go in and manipulate. Like, I have not picked at all. I literally put the product on, went, ate some food, let it air dry, and then came back, and this is what it's looking like. I didn't have to do no manipulation. So that's one thing that I like better than the gel off top, is that I don't have to go back in and kind of lift my hair to where I want. I will say I definitely get more definition with the gel, but I'm a volume girl, so I definitely am preferring this, especially if I need a quick wash and go, like something that I can do and then actually leave and know that it's going to dry and look good once it's fully dry. So my thing with when I use a gel, I need it to dry because I know I'm going to need to manipulate and pick it to get the shape and volume that I want. With this, I don't have to do that. I could go out, I know it's gonna dry, and it's gonna look like this without me having to do nothing. So I really am feeling that. The only thing that I am afraid of is that these curls is gonna be a fro by tomorrow or the next day. Like, that's the one thing about the gel or using gel that I know, is that it's gonna last until the end of the week. I just gotta wear it and see. I definitely feel like my hair is much more, I have much more movement. It's really fluffy, bouncy, absolutely no crunch. It's super soft. It smells good. I feel like it looks good. I don't know what y'all think, but I feel like it looks good. It definitely has a good little luster to it. I definitely feel like my hair is like moisturized, and I want to see how my hair holds this moisture with these products. But I definitely love the products. My concern is how long my results are gonna last. So another thing is, I definitely feel like if you take the time and work in smaller sections, that you can possibly use this buttercream on its own. I actually found these products because my best friend did a tutorial. I'm going to link her video down below if you want to see the results of using just the buttercream by itself. Definitely check out her video, check out her channel, subscribe, all that good stuff. But I will link her video because she defined her hair with just this buttercream. And then when I looked on the site and I saw they had a foam, I'm like, you know what, I'm gonna try both those together. So I feel like that might be a better suited for my hair type, and the fact that I definitely need a little bit of hold with my wash and goes for it to last. But yeah, I'm talking too much, so I hope you guys like this video. I hope it was helpful. If you tried out these products before, let me know. Comment down below what your results were and how you felt about the products. And if you're gonna try them out, or if this video made you want to try them out, comment down below and let me know as well. And let me know what you guys want to see me try on my channel. And that's all I got for y'all today. I will see you guys in the next video.